Max's style fried chicken. Air fried, so it's not deep fried, but still look at that. So crispy on the outside. The skin is so crispy, like as if it's deep fried. Yep. Look at this. Oh yeah, looks so good. Even the skin is like that's perfectly deep fried, right? But no, it's air fried. And we did earlier with this video on crispy tender pork chops on the air fryer. We'll talk about that later. Let's start. Here we have the two-piece leg and thigh. Yes, we're gonna boil this. We're gonna brine. Well, boil to a brine. So we start heating up the water. All right. But this is about three cloves of garlic, just pressed, not crushed, and then onions and ginger, just a few bits, just for the flavor, and about a teaspoon of whole black pepper, not crushed, because it's gonna get boiled, so it's gonna get all the flavors into the water, and then the chicken. Then bring it to a boil, and here's some bay leaves. All right. Yeah. Now, once this is boiling, you can season it with other stuff, but this is how simple it is for the Max style fried chicken. Okay, once it's boiling, you can put the leg and thigh, both of them. We bring this to a boil so that the flavor starts to get good and partially cook the chicken. Here, one Nor chicken cube for added flavor, and about 1 to 2 spoons of fish sauce. So we don't use salt. We just use fish sauce, and it's gonna be good. And it's added flavor too, so that's excellent. Yep, we bring this to a boil. It's gonna be really good because the flavor is gonna seep into the meat of the chicken. So for to 40 minutes, depending on the size, all right? We're gonna do this for like about 40 minutes now because it's quite big. And yes, my mom used to get annoyed with me when I was a kid because I always have to check on the stuff, even if it's halfway through. Yes, we checked it. Now it's halfway through. 20 minutes more. All right. Now here it is on the 40th minute. Oh yeah, it's all done. So you can see the chicken is actually quite cooked. So we strain this. We try to strain. We try to make sure there's zero to no water left. So this way it's gonna be crispy when you air fry it. Yes, and Vicky said she'll use this chicken stock for pancit in the future. So yep, you can save that. Here it is. Now we're gonna brush off the outside with the fish sauce. This gives it a good color. Of course, it gets the skin a bit more salt on seasoning. And yes, this is good. You can actually add seasoning like oregano, parsley, and thyme. That would change it, but this is simple like Max's chicken. But you can also season it how you want it, like that. Now get here, 230 degrees maximum in the air fryer, and then 30 minutes. All right. Yes. Sorry about the phone. It's not focusing on the chicken. I'm just using one hand. All right. Yes. Now here. Yes, we leave it for 30 minutes. Now we have to sit and wait. Here, the Master style fried chicken, we'll talk about it a bit later. We fried this, but with oil, and we did the same. Yep, and here it is, 30 minutes later. Oh, yeah. Oh, would you look at that? You can hear the sizzling and the crackling. Oh, yeah. Look at that. It looks like it's deep fried. Oh, it's gonna go to the dining table. Let me go there. Yep, time to go to the table. Ooh, yeah, it looks so good, right? It actually looks deep fried, but nope, it's just air fried. This is a must try for you guys. It's so good. I had to move it to my plate to take a picture for the thumbnail, as you can see here. This is so good. It's so tender because we already boiled it. And here, of course, I'm gonna have one piece only. And the Emperador, which is a vodka sauce, but we did it with Emperador brandy. We'll make a video of that soon. I'm gonna have some of that, rice, and this Max style air fried chicken. Oh, this is a really good lunch. Yes. And going back to what I mentioned before, here's the Max's style fried chicken we did earlier. This is a whole chicken cut in half. We boiled it and, of course, deep fried it in oil. You gotta check it in the playlist. It's so good. And yes, this one, the crispy tender pork chops, we actually did this inspired how we do the Max style fried chicken. So we boiled this, got it good. It actually was really tender and the skin was so crispy. You can click it on the end screen here. And yes, thanks for watching. Subscribe so you can check out all the other good stuff here. All right. Yeah.